Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a clock out of a paper plate. First, let's gather our materials, ensuring we have everything ready for a smooth project. You'll need a sturdy paper plate, ideally 10 inches in diameter, 2 different colors of construction paper, and a small brass fastener. Don't forget your scissors, a ruler for precise measurements, and a variety of colorful markers too. Having all these items prepared will make crafting your clock fun and easy. Now let's prepare the clock face itself. Take your paper plate and find its center. A ruler can help you locate this precisely. From the center, lightly mark out 12 evenly spaced sections around the edge of the plate, like slices of a pie. This will guide your number placement. Then, have fun decorating your plate's surface, perhaps with bright colors or a simple pattern, making it uniquely yours. Next, we'll create the 2 movable clock hands. Using your contrasting construction paper, cut out 2 distinct shapes, one for the hour hand and one for the minute hand. Make the hour hand noticeably shorter, perhaps 3 inches in length, and the minute hand about 4½ inches long. Remember to make one end of each hand small enough for the brass fastener. Then, carefully punch a tiny hole into that narrow end of both hands. With your base decorated, it's time to add the all-important numbers. Using your colorful markers, write the numbers 1 through 12 around the clock face, placing them precisely within each section you marked earlier. Try to make them large and clear, ensuring they are easy to read. This is a great opportunity to use different colors or styles for each number, adding more personality to your creation. Make sure your numbers are consistently sized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.